Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video. My name is Javier.
And my name is Omar.
And our channel is all about pranks, vlogs, story time challenges, family time, and others. What we will be talking about today is things that Jamaican parents did to you when you were kids that you don't like. Even though, yeah, Jamaican parents, we love Uno. We love Uno same. We love Uno. Uno are the best parents. Uno are the best. So I got about 5 things that my mom and when I know about. So Uno one, but Uno one my own. So if Uno mommy do Uno them things that Uno comment down below and
let us know.
Let us know if and my mommy alone do them things here. So
you know most Jamaican mommy.
Yes, most Jamaicans mom do it. So if you're not from Jamaica and your mommy do these things, comment below and let me know. So the first one is send you to the room and then ask if you sweep the ground. Sweep the floor. Okay, floor.
I'm saying that for the room, you know. Thought maybe I should go see the floor. I'll see for the house for me.
Tell me now. What kind of things in there? Only need to start. I said no, yesterday my mother when I picked me and she said, Avia, go to the room for me. Jesus God, me start stress coming out. I forgot to sweep the girl. No! I say me eat it when I pick me and grow up. I say me eat it, but I usually eat go for the broom. And one of the things them you know what they love do to and just the broom. That just my mind. Them sit down now right beside something like them want the remote. Let me say the remote now. And them sit down right to center and the remote they right over the center and they're outside and them a call you and tell you say to pass the remote. What kind of son pass the remote and they can get up and go for the remote. And if you don't go for it them are going to say you're lazy and them are the lazy one because the remote they're right beside you, you're right in front of you. You call it picnic from way outside.
Just to pass the remote.
Pass the remote. And I go say, Mommy, seriously, and I tell you they call my father and say yes. And I say, Mommy, broom they right there, so the remote they right there, so and I could pick it up for yourself, them I go ask. So when I bring it upon the earth for what do you mean? They bring upon the earth for taking for your slave? Tell me the truth, they bring upon the earth for taking for your slave. Okay. I think it's slavery is it done, but
no, that's the Jamaican mommy then.
Not the Jamaican mommy, no. The second one now. Tell me the truth now. Beat you and then tell us if you stop crying. Beat you and then tell us if you stop crying.
And then I ask if you want something to cry for. Me give you something to cry for? Yes.
What kind of sound that? No, beat you and then tell us if you stop crying. So we not feelings, we not born, we not got need you try to with the feelings. No, we need to stop it. We need to stop it.
Jamaican parents them.
We need to stop. Yeah, I mean for Jamaican parents alone do it, but if other experience I do, we need to stop. We need to stop. So we're going down to 3 now. Senegal shop, you know. Then Senegal shop. And Senegal buy something, you know. Senegal shop. To write it down on piece of paper. And again, so when a Jamaican fitness, them write down on piece of paper. Or if you don't write it down on paper, meanwhile, I go shop and say, 1 pound of flour. And you just say it in your mind and just say, yeah. If you're picnic, but sometimes they write it down on paper. And then Senegal shop. And it's Senegal shop, you know. And when they come back from shop, they don't make you rest or nothing. They just remember say they want something else and you know say son hard.
Go back again.
You have to go back and shop again. You know son that? And if your phone's up your face, either you get 1 box or
be now wait for it till you come back.
or they Senegal shop when I come back again.
Mm-hmm.
So 5, no 4 already now? That's you want to be.
When I go wash up them 2 pieces of, them 2 plate then I sink and where you go? Stack and pile of plate and pot. Aye.
2 little plate them.
2 little plate then so they
2
wash up.
little plate them in the kitchen. You know,
When you go in there?
I always kill this thing like about 2. Go wash up the 2 little. Amara, have you? Come wash up the 2 little plate them in the kitchen. I'm not going there. Worst thing now, worst thing now, worst.
And the one thing again, when you want to lick you, they might go friend you up. Come here. That time they belt round them back in our waist, you know. When
But
you
they
come,
act like them forget about the thing where you do from earlier, no, but they don't forget you. They don't forget. Them wait for you till you calm down and forget say you do all of that and then they
when
call
you
your
come,
friend.
grab in your shoulder and pull you up. And you can't get away now. Can't get away. And that's where being the start.
Oh God. And the next one to know. Say you go shopping now. Then say, oh yeah, come here. Me feed for something to eat. Me feed for something to snack pan. Me go down a shop and buy something for me snack pan. And you say to them, what you want? Them I say, buy anything. Buy anything. When they come back with it now, you know, them are going to say, them no want this, them no need this, so if you bring you back.
You say buy anything?
And you say, buy anything. What kind of some of them there? Jesus Christ. Me say, yo, there's something that usually burn me, burn me. So anyways, guys, we are finished here. We don't have any more. So thanks for watching. And comments if you have anything that Jamaican parents did to you and you didn't like. Please remember to subscribe if it is your first time. Turn on the notification bell so when we upload more videos, you will see it. Bye. Keep
guys.
safe in the COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Yes, and wear your mask. Remember to and keep a social distance. Yes, and the most important thing is always praying because God is the only